Welcome back, students. In this video we will do the movements of Poisson distribution. Okay, like in binomial distribution, in the same way we will proceed for movements of Poisson distribution. The only difference is of the value of px. Okay, now let's see mu1 dash. Mu1 dash will be expected value of x की power 1. That means Poisson distribution, the value of random variable x is discrete and from 0 to infinity. Okay, x into p of x. Here what will be the PMF function? X PMF will be e की power minus lambda, lambda की power x by x factorial. Now this e की power minus lambda is independent of this summation. Take this common. तो e की power minus lambda summation x from 0 to infinity, and I can write this x factorial as x into x minus 1 का factorial. तो cancel out this x, it will be lambda की power x by में x minus 1 का factorial. Now tell me one thing, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 factorial, that is not defined. Factorial हमेशा 0 या positive numbers का define होता है. So we will start this summation from 1. Okay. All right. So now open that summation. Your mu1 dash will be e की power minus lambda. Now open the summation x1. So lambda by में 1 minus 1 0 factorial, which is 1, plus lambda square by 2 minus 1 1 factorial. Okay, lambda cube by में 2 factorial and so on. So in this what I will do, I will just take out lambda common from all of them. So it will be 1 plus lambda square by 2 factorial. How I know कि I need to take the lambda common? Because यहाँ पे देखो, it is looking like the expansion of e की power lambda, but there is one lambda is extra in every term. So I have taken out that lambda common, and now it is the correct and exact expansion of this and so on. So it will be e की power minus lambda dot lambda e की power lambda, which will be lambda e की power minus lambda plus lambda e की power 0, which is lambda. So mean of Poisson distribution is lambda. All right, this is the mean. Now for the mu2 dash moment. Mu2 dash, that will be equal to expected value of x square. It is calculated about origin, that's why यहाँ पे only x square आ रहा है. If it is calculated about center moment ना, तो यहाँ पे क्या आता, x minus that mean आता. Okay, now summation direct I am writing x from 0 to infinity x square. If it is square, तो here also square p of x value is e की power minus lambda की power x by में x का factorial. Now like we did in that binomial distribution, what will I do? I will just write x square in some different term. How will I write? Summation x from 0 to infinity, I can write x square as x into x minus 1 e की power minus lambda. देखो plus में से x I am writing here. So when you open the bracket, you will get x square minus x plus this x. This minus x and this plus x will cancel out each other. So what will left? X square will left. Just to remove that power, I use this form, lambda की power x by x का factorial, plus यहाँ पे एक x बच रहा था, तो I am writing that here x from 0 to infinity x e की minus lambda की power x by में x factorial. Value of this will be lambda. We solved above. Okay, now solve this portion. When you solve this portion, in this what will happen? Firstly e की power minus lambda will comes out. Then यहाँ से open this x factorial as x minus 1 into x minus 2 का factorial. This and this cancel out each other. Okay, e की power minus lambda summation x from 0 to infinity lambda की पावर x by में x minus 2 का फैक्टोरियल, then summation will start from 2 plus ये lambda as it is. Okay. Now in this case e की power minus lambda, open that summation, it will be lambda square by 1 factorial, lambda cube by 1 factorial plus lambda की power 4 by 2 factorial and so on. So in this what will you take common? Lambda square. When you take lambda square common, it will be 1 plus lambda square by 2 factorial and so on. So this will be equal to e की power minus lambda square into e की power lambda, which will be equal to lambda square. So value of mu2 dash is lambda square. Now mu2 variance is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash का square. So it will be lambda square and यहाँ पे plus lambda भी आएगा, plus lambda and here also plus lambda. So lambda square plus lambda minus lambda square, this and this cancel out, mu2 is equal to lambda. Now this is the very important thing कि in Poisson distribution mean and variance are same. Okay, and in binomial distribution mean is greater than the variance. Now I am not calculating mu3 dash and mu4 dash, but I will tell you कि how you can calculate. Okay, तो आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? आई विल राइट द फॉर्मूला फॉर mu3 dash and mu4 dash. Okay, तो mu3 dash will be, mu3 dash is equal to, you will find out x from 0 to infinity, formula will be x cube p of x. Now I can write this x cube as summation x from 0 to infinity x minus 1 x minus 2 plus 3x x minus 1 plus this x, and px value will be e की power minus lambda की power x by में x factorial. देखो what will be the difference यहाँ से आएगा, यहाँ पे लैम्डा स्क्वायर कॉमन आया था, यहाँ पे लैम्डा, चलो आंसर भी डायरेक्टली लिख ही देते हैं. व्हेन यू सॉल्व दिस यू विल गेट लैम्डा क्यूब, इसकी वजह से व्हाट यू गेट प्लस 3 लैम्डा स्क्वायर एंड यहाँ से आएगा आपका लैम्डा. दिस विल बी योर mu3 dash. Okay, now formula for mu4 dash will be mu4 dash. Formula for that will be, directly I am writing summation x from 0 to infinity. Okay, x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 plus 7 x minus 1, wait, 6 not 7, x minus 2 plus 7x x minus 1 plus x and p of x value. This is the formula for mu4 dash, and in the similar way you can calculate the value of mu4 dash also. Okay, from there you can find out the value of mu3 and mu4 also if required. Sometimes coefficient of skewness and kurtosis is asked, so I will make a separate video for that, what is skewness, what is kurtosis, and the formula based on these movements and central movements I will tell you. Okay.